So welcome back to another video. What we're going to take a look at today is how to dual boot your Steam Deck and also run Linux on that. So as you're all probably aware of, the Steam Deck's a dedicated handheld gaming machine. The option's there to dual boot with an operating system on it as well. Today I'm going to choose Linux and show you how to do that. This will essentially open up the possibilities of your Steam Deck. So let's head over to the PC and I'll show you how to do it. So we're going to put Linux onto the Steam Deck. So first thing you want to do is decide what version of Linux you want to put on it. Personally, I'm going to go for Ubuntu, as that's the kind of more universally used one. If you just do Windows as well, it's probably the best one to use. So we want to head over to the website and then go to download. Download Ubuntu Desktop. So we'll go for the first one it comes to us here and we'll click download. It's 5.9 gigabytes, so it shouldn't take too long. So what we'll do is we'll let that download. While you're waiting for that, your USB stick, just prepare that for use. Make sure it's formatted, and I usually format TNTFS, so if you want to go and do that while this is downloading. So now that that's completed, what we want to do is, so the next thing we want to do is download and grab this program called Rufus. That will create a bootable USB drive. So if you head over to their website and go to download, and download and install the top version. So the device here will show a USB stick. Just make sure it's the right drive it's selected, because you don't want to wipe anything important. And now we want to select the image we're going to write, which is that one we've just downloaded. So we just select that and open. That's fine, just leave that as is, and also that. And just click start. And OK that. Again, make sure it's the right device you're writing to, otherwise you'll lose stuff. So once you're doubly sure that you've got the correct drive, just click OK again. And we'll just let that run its course. OK, now that the bootable drive's ready, it's time to eject that. So as we can see, we've got the boot menu up now. So we want to go over to Boot Manager. Select that. And boot device, we'll choose that one, the SanDisk card. So we want to go ahead and select the top one there. As we can see, it's now setting up to install. We'll just let this run its course and do its thing. So now we've booted it back up, it'll ask us to install Ubuntu or try it. Now if you want to install it, it will install it onto the hard drive of your Steam Deck. So just make sure you've got enough space there if you want to keep it installed permanently on it. Otherwise you can just click try Ubuntu and it will run from the USB stick. We'll go ahead and install it here. We'll select that. We'll go for extended selection now. And we'll highlight that one. Now here you've got a couple of options of how you want to install Ubuntu. We want to install Ubuntu alongside the current operating system, which is SteamOS, so we'll select that one and just click next. And here you want to choose how much hard drive space you want to give it. I'm just going to leave that where it is because I'm not really going to use it for much other than just kind of office stuff and that, so I'll leave that where it is. But if you want to, if you're looking for more space for yourself, then you can obviously just move that until where it suits you. So click next, create your account. Just set up your account details here. I'm just going to deselect that part there, but you can keep that if you want. And next again. And we'll go to install there. So we'll just let it run its course now. So that's it now installed, ready to use, and we'll restart now. So I've removed the USB. We'll just click the first one. So there we are, that's it running without the USB installed now. So if you want to go back and forward between this and SteamOS, just do your volume positive button and power at the same time into your boot menu and choose the operating system you want. So there we are, it's given us a option to run the Pro version if you want. That means you'll get updates for the next while as well. So there we are, that's us set up ready to go with Linux now on the Steam Deck. It's really handy if you want like an all-in-one portable solution, if you want to have a gaming solution and something with some productivity as well, because you can do a lot of word processing and things like that on Linux. If you go into the App Store, I mean, all that stuff's free, which is the best thing about it. It's not like Windows where you need to pay for a lot of stuff. You get a lot of stuff in here free of charge. Really handy thing to have installed on your Steam Deck. Saves you carrying a laptop around as well. All you need is a keyboard, I guess, and a mouse. But there we are. Thanks again for watching. Hope this video helps some of you out, and hopefully see you guys again soon. Cheers, bye bye.